Hi guys, today it was sunny morning and then suddenly it started raining. I was on the way and I'm totally wet. But the weather is beautiful. You can see my farm, the trees, how happy they are and dancing. This is one part of my farm. And you can see this is moon and groundnuts sown. They're still coming up. So this is it. I can go on the back side because it's raining very heavy. The dam is at the back. I mean, you're not able to view it because of this weather. And the backwaters is here, but you can't see. Okay guys, see you in the next part. Till then, goodbye.